called himself Hoodstick.
Welcome guys, welcome to another video of Hoodstick. I'm with Callum here with his unbelievably pearl white Skyline. This car, man, just talk us through to how you got to the power.
Yeah, basically I got a large front mount intercooler, a Link G4 ECU, uprated coil packs, MAF delete, bigger radiator, 17-inch rotor drifts, top secret body kit, wider rear fenders, which has obviously been riveted and then smoothed over.
Wow. I
got stainless steel exhaust system, a greedy dump valve, yeah, basically to make it like 352 brake basically.
That's madness, that is. Did you get the car like this or did you build it?
I bought it like this, sort of. I've done like little things, like I've changed the clocks now. They've got like all like glitter and stuff in them. Obviously the shifter, and I'm just basically slowly changing it now. I'm going for about like 500-600 brake. But
oh, is that what you're planning to do?
Yeah, that's what I'm building.
So is the
now.
engine stock then? The engine and
the internals of the engine are stock at the minute. Yeah.
What clutch?
Stock clutch as well. Yeah.
Wow, yeah. It can handle 350 brake.
Yeah.
That's crazy. So I know you mentioned some of the mods. So what exhaust have you got again on this car?
At the minute, it's basically standard exhaust from a turbo.
Yeah.
But it's just got like an aftermarket exhaust on it. Just not actually sure on the make. But
straight piped or deep cut?
It's got all the cats in it.
Oh, it's got all the cats in it?
Yeah,
It's
it's going off to Long Life to go and have a full straight through done, and then obviously get more removed, and it should sound a lot better, and hopefully get some flames at the back end.
Yeah, definitely. What ECU have you got on this car?
Link G4 ECU.
Wow, same as same as Mike's and Carl's. If you guys check the video out, even mine, we all got the same ECU. But that's probably, we always said that's our best mod. I don't know if that was the best mod of this car that you've got.
Yeah, obviously the tune up capability of it then is you can do everything with stock ECU you can. Yeah,
exactly. The functionality of the ECU is just unreal. Coilovers?
Yeah, just aftermarket
coilovers. Yeah, no, it's sitting pretty good. Do you want to hit the road?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. I have the same problem starting Skylines.
It's all the same.
I hope that it starts. That's what I do all the time. Pray to God.
He's done all the tuning.
Oh, bells, yeah. The mics and cars. Wow, man, that's crazy. How long have you had this car?
I bought it in September, so what's that, about 5 months is it?
Oh, 5 months? Wow,
like
man. So have you had Skyline before this?
No, my car before, which I've still got now, is a Corsa C, believe it or not. But I've dropped the Z20 lat engine in it, and that thing is running 333 brake. But that I've run that down the strip, and it literally runs 12 seconds.
This does 12 seconds?
No, my Corsa.
Oh, your Corsa?
Yeah, I haven't run this one down the strip yet, though.
Interesting.
But yeah.
Wow, that's crazy, man. The car sounds nice and quiet, man, compared to cars and mine and especially big mics. This car is loud.
Yeah.
Your one's nice and smooth and very quiet, and sometimes it beats the best of both worlds. Quiet, smooth, and it just goes.
Yeah.
But now 5 months, have you had any issues on this?
I had one issue. The on the injector, the end cap popped off, which actually flooded the engine with fuel and oil, believe it or not. And it literally, I had like 20 litres in there, but luckily, obviously, we managed to find it before it got to any big issues.
Yeah.
Got it out, and then, yeah, basically just
That's
had
crazy,
it battled
man.
up and going again, but that's literally the only problem I've had.
It's a hit and miss, isn't it, with Skylines? If there's a problem, it'll be something small.
Yeah.
But the big components, the turbo and the engine and the gearbox,
Yeah.
perfectly fine. I mean, if you're running 350 and it's all stock,
Yeah.
I'm surprised like the clutch is doing its business at 350 brake.
Yeah.
Did you get confident instantly the way you got into this car? Because the way you drive, like, it's like you've had this car for years, man.
Yeah, and the first couple of weeks, like, I was a bit petrified of it, won't I?
Yeah.
Like, because obviously it's a lot of power and it's all rear wheel. But yeah, look, give it after a couple of weeks, just really got used to it and start messing around then, innit? And
Yeah, definitely.
Basically
How
got
old are you,
messed
by
up.
the way? Because
Me, I'm 20.
you're 20 years old.
20, yeah.
Oh my god, man, this is completely new to you, then, isn't it?
Yeah, well,
have
since
you-
I was a kid, I always wanted one of these.
just like me.
So yeah, it was my dream car. Like, well, I've been going to like Ultimate Street Car, and that's where I've met Wheeler Cat and all that. And they always had theirs, and it sort of like pushed me to get mine.
Yeah. It's definitely, man. I love these cars. Go on, then give it the blast. Whoa! Wow, man, this is fast, man.
Yeah, it's not bad.
For 350 brake, this is quick.
Yeah.
Honestly, like sometimes when you got the bigger power, there's more lag, but with this,
It's straight on.
Yeah. Nah, I love it, man. To be honest, this picks up speed. I didn't expect it.
Yeah,
It does
speed.
come to show that it's not always about power.
Yeah.
It's getting the tune right. And we like them gadgets, man, as well. You done they come with the car as
Yeah,
well.
when it was imported, they was already there. Yeah.
Wow, man, it's clean, man. It's much clean compared to the other Skylines. They're proper raw, but this one, it can be daily. It's doable.
Yeah.
They've only had it for 5 months, man, guys. Man, this is unreal, man. 20 years old. A lot of people at his age would be getting like finance, Golfs or S3s, which kind of gives me the interest. You only chose this because it's your dream car. What is there any reason why you picked an R33, not a 206 or a Sylvia?
No, literally, as I was a kid, I just always I've always had love for this car. So I just had to take the plunge and get it.
Interesting. Sure, man. Here we go. Wow, man, your ship is sick. Nice. Man, you know how to shift this car, man. I need a gear knob like that because mine's weird. Like, it just sticks out, man. I can't shift
Well, I
it
had
quick.
the little ball one on there before, and I like sort of grab it and slam it back.
Same. I
So
like
it's like
big
a lot
ones.
easier.
You can tell, man. You just chill back and it's go boom.
Yeah, you just like, well, I'm resting my arm here, and I just flick it straight back with them. You sort of like, haven't you? So
Diff standard,
yeah, standard.
not welded.
No,
Wow,
nah,
that's crazy, man.
That's literally that hasn't really been touched now, has it?
That's crazy, man.
Most things on the actually everything on the back hasn't really been touched apart from the exhaust, obviously.
Yeah.
And then I've just I upgraded the brakes on it. I've just just put drilled and grooved discs and yellow stuff pads in it. Just so peace of mind, you can always stop.
Yeah, of
But-
course. It's unique. Like, it's your style, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Oh, your steering is stiff on this, man.
Yeah.
Has it got power steering on this?
Yeah, that's got power steering, but
Yeah.
it just feels a bit stiffer. I just think I just got to check the level in it.
Yeah, man, this is what I want, man. I like this gear knob, man. It's so perfect. I can rest my arm. I can just change the gears how I want.
Yeah.
No wonder you're doing it so quick.
Yeah.
Oh man, that is nice, man. Guys, listen to this, man. Beautiful, man. I can't even hear my dumb valve induction in my Skyline. It's that loud, and sometimes to get the right balance, it's tough. But you've got it. This car is perfect. Look.
Yeah.
That is unreal, man.
Yeah, because you get the blow off and then like a little grumble from the back then as well.
Yeah, definitely. It's nice, man. Sometimes I do feel like just making the Skyline, put the cats in there, make it nice and quiet.
Yeah.
It drives so smooth. Like this could be a daily Skyline, and that's what I like about this Skyline. But the steering, proper stiff, man. It's like Carl Skylines, but a bit more stiff, man. Do you mind if I give it?
Yeah.
Okay, then go on. Wow, man, that's nice. I've just seen it's a 1 bar boost, and this is 1 bar boost.
Yeah, 1 bar, yeah.
Wow, man. So if you wanted to, you could increase the power, can't you?
Yeah.
Are you looking to increase power? Or?
Well, I'm gonna just go for a full rebuild on the engine, forge it, just to be on the safe side. Yeah, I could go to about 360, but I thought obviously just go about 350, so I know I'm in the safe zone, and then I'll forge it down eventually and bigger turbo there.
I think right now, for now, enjoy it whilst you can as it is now.
Yeah.
I think by the time, what Carl did, because he blew up his engine, then he forged it. So I don't know if he wanted to wait until something happened, then forge it.
Yeah.
But nah, man, because I'm not gonna lie, but I'm quite envious because of how smooth it drives, and you don't have to worry about anything. Because my Skyline, and the more you modify, the more problems you're gonna get.
Yeah.
With yours, you just know that you're not gonna get any problems. It's just so smooth. Let's do it. First pulling this then. Wow, man, so good. Yeah, man. I love it, man. I love it. I love the Skylines is our element, man. It's a dream car, man.
Yeah.
It's just other cars just doesn't give you the same ride, man.
Yeah.
This is just raw, and it just brings you a smile every time you get it. It's cool, man. It's cool. A lot of the youngsters nowadays, if you guys get yourself a Skyline with this, it's just non-stop excitement, and like you've had it for 5 months. Did you ever get bored of this car, man?
No, every time I jump in it.
Have you done any drift days with this or track events?
Not at the minute, no. Nah, nothing. Obviously, I want to do some.
Oh yeah,
but,
definitely.
Yeah, I haven't at the minute. Like I go in with the rest of them. I go into Jap Fest.
Yeah.
Yeah, go in there. So if you get around Silverstone, as long as they don't cancel it.
yeah, same. The arches are rubbing in the wheels. What size rims are these?
17s.
17s. They do rub, don't they?
Yeah.
Wow, man, it's nice. Man.
It's because of how low.
Yeah. It's perfect, no, man. This is, it ticks the boxes, man.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, like, it just brings a big smile, man. 350 brake horsepower is enough for a Skyline to have enough fun with it.
Yeah.
But I've got no faults, man. I love it, man. I love the Skyline. It's good. Like I must say, you picked yourself a really good Skyline.
Cheers.
Because you've had no problems. You've only had the injectors, did you say?
Yeah, just an end cap, but that's not any bigger.
That's good, man. Nah, I'm glad for you, man. I'm really, really glad, man. I love it, man.
Cheers.
Love the lights as well, man.
Yeah.
Everything is perfect. I do want to get one of these gear knobs. 100% need to get one.
Yeah.
Okay. Callum, thank you. Appreciate you so much for even giving me a chance to drive a Skyline, because it's a pride and joy. And at the end of the day, these Skylines are they're unreal. They're not like any other cars. But thank you very much for jumping on the channel. If there's anybody else that you want to give a shout, guys, show them the support that you need. What's your Instagram?
I've got a page MMC, which is mid-month cruisers, and then I've also got my own, which is Callum Remnant.
Okay,
and you'll see this car on it.
I'll add them onto the description. No, I'll add it right now on the screen. Just make sure you follow that page, Mid-Month Cruisers. Make sure you follow them up, support them. If you've got Skylines or JDM cars, support them, man. You know what? If you've got a cruise going on, I'll happily join your cruise, man, all day long.
Oh yeah, shout out to Bell for fixing the problem and then obviously tuning it.
Brilliant. He knows this stuff. But yeah, again, as usual, guys, if you enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and share this video out. So yeah, peace, guys. See you guys in the next channel.